Hey guys, and welcome to an Easter-inspired doll collab that I am doing with Raiinbowbitez here on YouTube. So I'm going to have her channel links below so you can go check it out as well. So for my part of the DIY, I decided to go with a photo shoot for my dolls. So I created some really cute accessories for Easter. I made some really cute bunny ears and a couple other things that I'll show you. Starting with our bunny ears, only thing you're going to need is 2 pipe cleaners and some scissors or shears, so it's really easy to make. So you're going to take one of your pipe cleaners and you're going to bend it in half and just cut it to whatever length you like. I went to about 5 inches for each. Then you're going to loop it around and bend it and just twist the bottom. So you're going to have like an ear shape after that, and you can make this whatever size you like. So it's going to look something like that, and then you're going to make another one by just twisting the bottom once you fold that in half. So now you have 2 little ear shapes, and you can use a hot glue gun with this to glue them onto the other pipe cleaner, but I'm just going to twist them around because I wanted to use minimal supplies for this in case you want to make this with your children. So you just twist those onto the pipe cleaner by twisting the bottom around the other pipe cleaner like so. And then you want to space them out a little bit, not too much because you're putting them on a doll so the head isn't as big. And you're just going to twist that one on as well. And you can adjust them after you have them on the doll. It's a lot easier. And I like to make mine loose so you can slide the ears around as well. So that's what they look like, and I kind of bent one of the ears down just to see how cute it would look with a little floppy ear, and I love it. It actually came out super cute. So I also recommend putting the doll's hair up so it stays out of the way whenever you're doing the last step, which is putting it on the doll. And you just need a hair elastic to kind of pull it up and get it out of the way. And then you're gonna just lay your doll flat on your table to put the ears on. As you can see, I put my doll's ears on backwards, but it's okay, we will fix it. So you just twist it around the back of her head, and then you want to cut off that excess pipe cleaner and bend up the little tab. So that's what it's gonna look like. It just looks like a cute little set of bunny ears, and as you can see, I put it on backwards, so I had to bend them in the right direction. So the next thing I made were these cute little animal, pom-pom animals, or whatever you want to call them. I made a bunny and a chick, and you can get these at Dollar Tree. It's a little kit. Also, I used some Dollar Tree clay to make a chocolate bunny head and some Easter eggs. So this is pretty much all the stuff I made for this little DIY. I found some things laying around the house that I repurposed as well. So here's some of the pictures from the photo shoot. I think they came out adorable. This one is my favorite. I actually used watered down acrylic paint to make it look like she had chocolate on her face from her bunny. So I love that one. Just making sure if you do that, make sure your paint's watered down so it doesn't stain your doll. So here are some more really cute pictures. I absolutely love the bunny ears. They came out perfect. And those little foam eggs that you see in the photo, you can pick those up at Dollar Tree. I actually had them laying around the house, so I got lucky, but you can find them pretty much anywhere. Just look for miniature eggs. So that is it for my DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope everyone has a wonderful Easter and enjoy your crafting because it's super fun. Bye guys!